na yung bagong cellphone ko. After saving for around 7 months, I can finally enjoy this phone.
Anong phone mo na yan?
Huh?
Anong phone mo?
The Infinix Note 40 5G. Dimensity 7020 processor, 512 gigabytes of storage. It also supports wireless charging. That's the best part. And price? Well, original price 13,000 pesos. But this is considered a budget phone now. I only got it for less than 10,000 pesos. And let's see. Here, TikTok officials. If it is the actual phone, ooh, it's big and heavy. Here it is. Here it is, the new phone along with a free SIM card.
Hana!
Globe!
Hana!
Mama, if this is dual SIM, I'm gonna insert it.
Mas
Look at
maganda pag yung
this. Infinix Note 40 5G. And if you can see the specs, it's right here. There you go. And see this? This top part is the phone. This bottom part is the wireless charging pad. So you need to buy a wireless charging pad for this. Anyways, let's unbox it.
Hana! Come on!
Here it is. I can feel the weight of it. Look at this ML themed.
Yeah.
The first
Come on,
part,
stay there.
the Infinix Note 40 5G, the actual casing. It also has the all-round 2.4 charging and okay, here's the first thing about the box.
I thought that was actual phone.
It's the pen. And if we open this up, there's an Infinix warranty card, I think. Here's some manuals. Wait, no.
Why is this really heavy?
I don't know what is this. But, no, it's a screen protector, I think.
And what's this for? Why is it
this?
heavy?
Charger.
It's the other part, but we're gonna do that later. And this is the
The
wireless charging pad. Oh, wait, it has a free screen protector.
It does.
Tempered as well.
This?
And look, you can
Total.
tempered, pretty solid. And this is the wireless charging case. Ooh,
Ooh.
see this?
How do you charge it though?
This
thing
is the phone
over
case.
this?
It comes with a You see these circles here? This is for the magnets.
okay.
It can so it can easily stick there. And this
Oh, what's that? Oh,
is the actual phone itself.
Ooh.
Oh. Slowly. ASMR.
I think these A's over there.
This is worth my savings.
Be careful, Kuya. You might, drop it.
There we go. And here it is, the actual Infinix phone.
It looks like Mama's phone.
Doesn't really though. Now this is what I'm waiting for. The Infinix Note 40 5G. You see, it has dual speakers, dual ears with the first SIM. Let's see if they have an aux port. Oh no, we're gonna have a problem with this.
Baka pang Bluetooth na lang yan.
Oh yeah, Bluetooth.
What's an aux port?
You know the thing here where you insert something?
For the
I guess we're gonna have some problems there with old Star fans, but that'll be later. And then we open this up.
Yeah, we
Here's
have
the
like
case.
Bluetooth
And then this part. Oh, this is so satisfying. I love this. I love this moment so much. It's the charger itself. 33.
So, pwede siyang may cord, pwede magnetic.
Yeah, pwede. And also this one, the charging brick.
You mean a Raptor?
Gusto ko yung orange, yung niya, red.
Orange.
Oh, yan,
Yeah.
yan.
And let's stick it in.
How do
To
you
write
charge that?
down each.
We can charge this with two ports. You can charge it with here or magnetic charging.
Is that
And
the
here it
first
is.
one how to charge it?
The included Infinix charging pad.
We're from 9,000. That's crazy.
But all this for less than 10,000 pounds. The original price